Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable ad blocker on Chrome so websites can display ads properly. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Now, scroll down and click on Site Settings. Here, scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects. Click on it. Change the setting to Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. This allows pop-ups that may have been blocked. Go back one step and select Additional Content Settings. Scroll down to find Intrusive Ads and click on it. Change the setting to Any site you visit can show any ad to you. This disables Chrome's built-in ad filtering. Now, if you have ad blocker extensions installed, you'll need to disable those too. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. Here, you'll see all your installed extensions. If you have AdBlock or similar extensions, you can either click Remove to uninstall it completely, or toggle the switch off to temporarily disable the ad blocker. And that's it. Ad blockers are now disabled on Chrome. Ads will now display on websites, which helps support content creators. If this tutorial helped you disable Chrome ad blocker, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tutorial Maven. Thanks for watching.